Welcome student. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Firstly, I Sarika Sharma welcome all the students who have been promoted to UKG class. So dear student, today we will learn English and the topic which I have taken is the use of this and that. I am writing on the soft board. Today we will learn use of this and that. So before starting the topic this and that, I would like to say something about this and that. So dear student, this and that are demonstrative pronoun, or you can say they are singular pronoun. But you all are very small and it is very tough for you to understand what is demonstrative pronoun or what is singular pronoun. So no need to worry. When you will go to your higher classes, then you will know what is demonstrative pronoun and what is singular pronoun. But today I will teach you this and that in a very simple way, and I am very much sure you will learn what is this and what is that. First of all, I will write the spelling of this on the soft board. We write this T-H-I-S, this. I want you to repeat with me T-H-I-S, this. One more time, T-H-I-S, this. Now I will write the spelling of that. T-H-A-T, that. Once again I am repeating the spelling of that. T-H-E-T, that. T-H-I-S, this. T-H-E-T, that. Now we will know what is the meaning of this and that. So dear student, this and that, they both indicate to some point or to some object. Now you will think, what is the difference when the both are indicating to some point or to some object? But dear student, there is a difference between this and that. This means the thing which is near to you and which is close to you. This means the thing which is near to you or which is close to you. And that means the thing which is far away from you. The thing which is not near to you, the thing which is far away from you. Again I repeat, this means the thing which is near to you or which is close to you. And that means the thing which is far away from you. Now I will write some more example on the soft board regarding this and that. First of all, I will write the example of this. This is a tree. Now again I will write, this is an apple. Third, this is a book. Number 4, this is a pen. Now first I will read the sentence which I have written on the whiteboard. Number 1 is, this is a tree. Number 2, this is an apple. Number 3, this is a book. And the fourth one is, this is a pen. Now you will think why I have written this in all these 4 sentences. So I will explain you. Now see number 1. This is a tree. Now you see this tree is very close to this full stop, or you can say it is very close to this tree which I have written here. Same it goes in number 2. Yes, you see this apple, it is very near to this full stop, and even you can see this book, it is also very close to this full stop, and same here you can see this pen, even it is very closer to this full stop. it means the thing which is very near to you, we use this. What we will use? This. This means the thing which is close to you and which is very near to you. Now I will give some more examples of that. Now I will write some examples of that. Number one, I am writing that is a book. Number two, that is a pen. Number three, that is an egg. And number four, that is a tree. Now dear student, you might be thinking, before I wrote this is a book or that this is a pen, but now look at the whiteboard carefully. I have written some example of that. Number one, I have written that is a book. Number two, that is a pen. Number three, that is an egg. And number four, that is a tree. Now you see this picture carefully. First I have drawn book. Now you can see this book is little bit far away from this book. And same, this pen is far away from this pen. And same here, this egg is also far away from this egg. And this tree is also far away from this tree. Now student, you know, by seeing this picture, the thing which was little bit near to this last word, we write it. For that we write this, and the picture which is little bit far away from the last word, we write that. So I think it is clear, the thing which is near to us, we say this, and the thing which is far away from us, we say that. I want to give some more example of regarding this and that. First, so one more example I want to give you of this and that. You can see I am holding a book in my hand, and I will say this is my book, or I can say this is a book, because this book is close to me and it's near to me. Now if I keep this book little bit far away from me, then now I will say that is a book. I will not say this is my book, because now this book is not close to me, it is little bit far away from me. So I will say that is a book or that is my book. One more example I want to give. See here, I am holding a small diary, and now what I will say? I will say this or that. Yeah, I will say this is a diary, or I will say this is my diary. And again, if I keep this diary little bit far away from me, then I will say that is a diary, or I can say that is my diary. So students, suppose you went to market with your father or with your mother and you want to buy some fruits, and you went to a big fruit seller shop, and there are some fruits which are kept on small plate. And some, for example, two children, they just stand near this plate and they will say, I want this pomegranate, I want this banana, or he and she can say, I want this papaya. And suddenly the shopkeeper, he take away the plate and he keep little bit far away from the children. Now the children will say, we want that papaya, or they will say, we want that pomegranate, or they will say, we want that. Now you will say, ma'am, first the children will saying, I want this pomegranate, I want this papaya, or I want this banana. And now they are saying, I want that pomegranate, I want that banana, I want that papaya. So dear student, as I mentioned you earlier, the thing which are close to us, we always use this. What we will use? This. And the thing which is far away from us, we will use that. We will use that. So I am repeating once again all the topic which we have discussed. Firstly, you all learn the spelling of this and that. We spell this T-H-I-S. This means the thing which are near to us. And we spell that T-H-A-T. That means the thing which are far away from us. So dear student, I hope today you enjoyed your class, and I hope you understood what I taught you today. So this much for today. Thank you. Have a good day.